Now, being peaceful, being joyful is not the end goal of life. This is a fundamental ambience you need. If you want to unpack your capabilities, if you want to unfold your genius, if you want to open up the possibilities that you have, one important thing is there must be pleasantness of experience. There is enough scientific and medical evidence to show you that your body and your brain works at its best only when you are in pleasantness of experience. So inner engineering is about taking charge of this, that you take charge of what's happening within you. Once you are the way you want yourself to be, creating what you want in the world becomes much more a possibility. Let's say you want to create a meditation space in your home. Or let's say you have old people or children in the house, or somebody is sick, then just for regular general conduciveness also, you can do this. You use all the five elements to do this. You create So, you just draw four triangles, two upward-facing triangles, two downward-facing triangles. Let's say you spaced it out like 10 by 10, 10 feet by 10 feet, or 6 feet by 6 feet, or whatever the space you want to create, and a central two triangles intersecting so that it forms like an anahata star. You can draw this with flour, rice flour, or you can draw this with grains, let's say pulses or just rice. You can just make an outline or you can fill it. You can even use fine red earth to do this. So, totally there are 6 triangles here. It's the 6 chakras and the 5 elements and the 5 different fires. So you create a plate, preferably a copper plate or any metal plate, let's say, filled with water, and in that you keep a lamp, a ghee lamp or a vegetable oil lamp, preferably sesame oil. So sesame oil or ghee or any other vegetable oil, and 5 lamps with water body around it. You just burn this for 6 to 8 hours in the day. This area will gather a certain level of aura and the Akashic element will become dominant. If there are sick people, growing children, old people, it will do wonders for them. Or if you want to meditate, you want to create a meditative space, it will work beautifully.